Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change the font color text box in Goldbox. So let's start it. At first open your docs file. Firstly, change font color and text box and create a text box and go into the insert menu option. Then you can see and click for the drawing option. Now click for the text box and create a text box. This text box is background color. From going to the fill color option, then choose color and border color option. This text box is write your text and font color is selected all text and going to the more menu option and click for the text color option, then choose color. Now click for the save and close option, then I show the sense the font color and text box in Goldbox. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.